This two SIM card business, so then they talk about. You see, most of the money, they can say, God not for come up, can talk to we now we for deal with ourselves. But if you remember 10 years ago, same Ernest Koroma who president now. Now the one will be the can say, diaspora them. Una all do una can pui, una can pui lo can be this country so back. Me self na so then I don't go state house 2 term online regime, Christmas term. And at the same talk they talk say una dia una can pui, una can pui. Now what in the non do will make them afraid say people in the diaspora not for being involved or not qualify for them thing. I mean, I only see them. Me, I am not afraid for talk. My name is Christopher Adebayo Davis. Me na Creole, and my papa and a born Shabo then come out. So, I dey all sign a salon, and I not go afraid for talk. One time, my mama learn me na this life. He said me say, not afraid for talk true at all. Not afraid for tell anybody how you feel. He say at the same token, tomorrow, if you feel say. Or you find out, say, what you been talk, or what you been do. Not feel yourself too big for say, I'm sorry. But with president don't feel to say now, he don't too big pass the one himself who put on there. And that make you not afraid for talk, say, now, anybody who get you a citizenship, they not qualify. Hey, boy, we can call from New Jersey itself. We get Madina Raman. Now, American citizen, it didn't power now. We get the other Aisata, Kabia, former Mrs. Kabia, in self. Them in begin women of substance now, so they all in asylum now. They all get you citizenship because he wants them in day. So now, what's happening now? If you get you citizenship, you're not supposed for the pan politics. And Dr. Yunkela. All the things they try for do, now for nothing, because that man now God your own blessing. Now make after all what he don't do at the outside world, he still get the interest of Sierra Leone. That make man like that one day to go because like that woman saying now so just now, he don't need we. He can live a happy life in family. But now because it gets interest of them people away, who say come out. If people and they listen to Dr. Yunkela, the thing they always they talk, not so for himself. Now for them people, particularly like who say come out so, the man will come out from a humble beginning. He don't aspire to that height. He turn back say, now I go for go help me young people them. Una for give a chance. Do ya? Let we give a chance. Ernest Koroma. We feel to say you know past that. I think to say you're far more intelligent than that. But now you don't show we say, then say not to book make sense. Because a very educated man like you from Fabe College, which formerly the Athens of Africa, I'm sure you were proud to say I am a product of Fabe College, Sierra Leone. But your actions then delicate today. You know they portray that. Do you? And say when you turn this life here, so let take politics still like a life. When you turn done, you dey die. But when you come from politics, they say then give you time. You'll be acceptable. SLPP, they made a power, election be, then lost, then go sit down full. But why APC? The same thing way Shaka Civis them don't do now, Nasef don't begin for do so now. But by God in power, this time so you not go right. And we all wait in America, so we all go there back. We dey go salon back. And I for make salon better. Not so for make say people them go gently no more. Because plenty people within our so we self-sufficient. We can live now so. Whatever we get when we retire, say we can able to live in a salon, but we want to make the one that we less fortunate. Let them make opportunity for everybody. So na my own 2 cents down they me put pandis so. And by God in power, Dr. Alhaji Kande Yunkela, a son of the soil, Una not begin talk about say na American citizen. Una for be ashamed for make you una get somebody of that caliber. Una they say not to Sierra Leonean. Hey, bo. This American man, no matter what you be, as long as America is born, Lekusa you go, they still maintain say you are American. So if we get the opportunity for can get another citizenship, and because they appreciate who that we be. So una not for the thing to say, then can talk, then una they talk. And say always put your head in gear first before you open your mouth for talk something. Do ya? This election also, by God in his own power, not to much man in power, by God in his own power, it will confuse you and waiting for being that it will be. So let us just don't look no more. That's so creative. Say, don't look. By God in power, it will be. NGC all the way.